Hi guys, and welcome to Cooking with Kola. Let's make a lekker chicken and potato curry. So in my pot I've just added in a sliced onion and that is sauteing in the oil. To this I added a few curry leaves, 3 cardamom or ilachi pods, a cinnamon stick cut in half, 1 slit green chili, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, two teaspoons of cumin and coriander powder, a teaspoon of turmeric, gave that a good mix to incorporate all the flavors and allowed it to saute until brown. Once my onion started browning, I then added 1 tomato that has been diced. It was a medium-sized tomato. Two teaspoons of crushed ginger and garlic. Salt to taste. Just gave that a thorough mix and allowed my tomatoes to cook down. Once the tomatoes have cooked down, I then went in and added 2 tablespoons of my Kashmiri masala. You can use any chili powder or masala of your choice. Gave it a nice and thorough mix. Allowed it to fry for just about a minute. Then added in my washed and cut chicken pieces and just gave this a good mix. So this curry, you can have it with rice, you can have it with bread, you can have it with naan. I specifically made this curry for Bunny Chow. Make sure all the pieces are well coated and then just allow this to cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I added in my cleaned and cut potatoes. If you're using up-to-date potatoes, this will go really quick. If it's not up-to-date potatoes, a little trick, you can just poke the potatoes. This also reduces the cooking time. And then I just gave that a good mix. Until this point, I hadn't added any water. But you do want to add a 1/4 cup of water in intervals throughout your cooking process so that your gravy doesn't dry up. And then in with the 1/4 cup of water, mix that in, covered the lid and just allowed this to cook until my potatoes were nice and soft. And there we have it, a lekker chicken and potato curry. I hope you enjoyed this video and please like and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.